Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Converting YDD files to OBJ is a common task for GTA 5 modders. YDD files contain 3D models used in the game. You need specific tools to change these files into a format like OBJ. First, you must download and install OpenIV. OpenIV allows you to browse game files easily. Locate the YDD file you want to convert. Right-click the file and select the option to export it. Most people export it as an XML file first. Next, you need a 3D modeling program. Blender is a popular free choice for this task. You will also need a plugin called Solums for Blender. Install this plugin to handle GTA 5 files. Open Blender and go to the Import menu. Select the Solums option to bring in your YDD or XML file. Once the model appears in your workspace, you can see the 3D structure. Check the textures and mesh to ensure everything looks correct. Now you are ready to change the format. Go to the File menu and select Export. Choose the Wavefront OBJ option from the list. Name your file and pick a folder to save it. Simply click the Export button to finish the process. Your model is now an OBJ file. This format works in almost any 3D software. You can use it for rendering or further editing. Many people use this method to create custom assets for other games. It is a simple process once you have the right tools. Follow these steps carefully to avoid errors during the export. This method is very reliable for most drawable objects in the game archive.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.